Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get and use the Tethers in Astroneer. This is going to be useful if you don't have your own oxygen supply at your hand and you want to travel around caves without needing to return back to your base, to your oxygenator. So to begin, first of all, you can find the Tethers on the first tab inside of the research center and on the second row in the first position. Here you can see what it is going to do and how many resources you'll need. So you will need one compound, and one compound can be gathered from any planet on the surface or inside of caves. And now to craft the tethers, you want to go to your backpack, and down here you'll see this tiny tab, and just go ahead using these arrows, search up these tethers as the output, and with the compound in your inventory, just press this green button in the middle, and it is going to craft the tethers. Now to use them, place them on one of these active slots in your backpack. So let's say we'll put it on the left one. And now you can use it by clicking the C key on your keyboard, and it is going to place the tether down. And when you get far enough from it that it detaches, you can place another one, and it is going to be connected to the other one. So you don't need to pick it up and measure the distance. You can just go around, and when it disconnects, you can just place it right ahead. Just like this. Also, you can place it on the other slot, on the right one, and when you do, you cannot use the C key, but you'll need to use the V key. So once again, just do the same to connect it to the other tethers. Also, when you're done placing them down and you don't have enough of them, you want to go, let's say, to another route or something, you can just, while holding them, pick them up by pressing F or by shift clicking on them, just like this. And they are going to be bundled into a single slot in your inventory. So this is pretty much all, how to get it and use the tethers in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.